Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Crexi for commercial deal discovery, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Crexi for commercial deal discovery, begin by visiting their website at crexi.com. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering all necessary information, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link sent from Crexi. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, log in using your email and newly created password. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the Crexi dashboard. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page to begin your deal discovery. Enter keywords related to the type of commercial real estate you are interested in, such as office space or retail. Set your preferred location using the location filter to narrow down your search results. Adjust other filters such as price range, property type, and size to further refine your options. Review the search results and click on any listings that catch your interest for detailed information. Examine the data provided for each listing, including photos, descriptions, and key metrics. If you find properties that meet your criteria, consider saving them to your favorites for easy access later. To inquire about a specific listing, use the contact form provided on the property page. Fill out your message full of questions or interests regarding the property. Submit the form to reach out directly to the listing agent or property owner. For a deeper understanding of the market, explore Crexi's resources and articles available in their Knowledge Center. Keep an eye on the notifications for updates on any of your saved properties. Engage with Crexi's community by participating in forums and discussions. Consider attending any webinars or events hosted by Crexi to expand your knowledge and network further. These steps will help you effectively connect with Crexi for commercial deal discovery. Stay proactive and thorough in your search to maximize your chances of securing the perfect commercial deal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.